EarthLIGHT is Acuity Brands and Holophane Europe's initiative around all things ESG. The new photovoltaic installation on our factory roof here in Milton Keynes is our commitment to reducing our energy and carbon footprint. The installation here, which we're very proud of, is just shy of 700 photovoltaic cells on the factory roof here. That will generate somewhere in the region of 225,000 kilowatt hours of electricity per annum, which will be in excess of 70% of our annual energy consumption. The saving will be somewhere in the region of 105,000 kilograms of CO2 per annum, generating cheap electricity which we can share with our staff to charge their EV vehicles in our car parks, with the remaining 30% of the energy purchased from Carbon Trust accredited 100% renewable sources. So from an environmental aspect, this encompasses the design of our products, the critical thinking around the modularity and recyclability and reusability of our products and how we manufacture them here at Milton Keynes. So as a customer, you can be assured when you're specifying Holophane lighting products or lighting control systems or procuring from Holophane that you're dealing with a business that has thought about the environmental aspects of the product, the supply chain and the building in which we manufacture. This all is encompassed under the new Acuity Holophane EarthLIGHT-Initiative.